Yes. So, this is the fighting for equality. People wanted their equal status, dignity, respect. So, the Constitution of India contains all the rules, but are we following it? Equal rights to both women and women, does not allow any discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth, gives power to the state to favor disadvantaged groups. Categories for whom special steps can be taken by the government are women and children, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, other backward classes, and minorities, physically challenged people. The Constitution says that it shall be the duty of the state to protect the weaker and backward sections from social injustice. Seats are reserved for SC and ST in the legislatures and educational institutions. Now we come to part 3. Why is it saying part 3 here? We have to know. Where is the part 2? I don't see a part 2. Anyways, fundamental rights. What are the fundamental rights? We must know that. What are fundamental rights actually? We have to know our rights, then only we will be able to know our constitution. We can go out in the world and talk and know our limits. Law is there. Some people say the law is meant to be broken. Then we will come to know what's the law. But the law is the beginning of crime. Law gives you the answers for crime. Okay, it might go over your head, but anyways, I just wanted to tell you that. Fundamental rights can be classified under 6 categories. Right to freedom, right to equality, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. Okay. Right to equality, I said, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, culture and educational rights, right to property, and right to constitutional remedies. Clear? Now, there are human rights also. What are the human rights? That will come later. We have to know what is our rights, but those rights can be performed under a particular system. The fundamental rights are considered as basic human rights of everybody, irrespective of what gender we are. We have these rights. Irrespective of what gender, caste, religion or creed, everyone has got these rights. This section is the vital section of the Constitution, which was developed in 1947-49 by the Constitution of India. Okay. It can be called a human rights or fundamental rights. And we have, I have told you those rights also. The right to equality, right to freedom, right of exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and education rights, and right to constitutional remedies. What does right to equality mean? The Constitution of India. If you take a balance, it should be same, equal. What does the vegetable vendor do in the market? You say, I need 1 kilo potatoes or something. He puts 1 kilo here, keeps on putting potatoes, he knows how much it's going to go. And then he checks it. Or it's on that electronic weighing machine. See, it's 000, then he puts up the basket, he weighs the basket, on top of that he minuses that. When he puts the basket, he puts it to 00, then he puts the potatoes. So going to 2 kilo is the same. If he's on that weighing scale, so he has to put 1 kilo here and 1 kilo potato here. If there's less or more, it's going to go up and down. It's not equal. Same thing. A right to equality ensures equal rights for all the citizens. And it prohibits inequality. On the basis of caste, religion, place of birth, race or gender. It also ensures equality of opportunity in matters of public employment and prevents the state from discriminating against anyone in matters of employment on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, descent, place of birth, place of residence, or any of them. If your marks are good, you will get your job. If you are fit for the job, you should get it. No matter who you are, they don't care. Okay, understood that? So we'll keep it till this part. Fundamental rights, I'll keep it till this part only, so that I'll be able to explain it properly to you. Then we have right to freedom. What is the right to freedom? Freedom of expression is your right. You can express. Right of freedom actually provides with various rights. Speech, freedom of expression, freedom of assembly without arms, freedom of movement throughout the territory of your country, freedom of association, freedom to practice any profession, freedom to reside in any part of the country. But these rights have their own restrictions. There are laws for it. Now, freedom of movement throughout the territory. If you don't have an ID card and you are going around the full country, someone wants to check you who you are, then you are gone. You can associate, you can make associations, but that depends upon what type of association you are making. Freedom to practice any profession, that doesn't mean you go around shooting people or stealing. Freedom to reside in any part of the country, that depends. First, you were not able to stay in Kashmir, and Sikkim you were not able to buy land. Now you can live in Kashmir and buy a land in Kashmir, but Sikkim you still can't buy a land. You have to be a Sikkimese. However, these rights have their own restrictions. That we are not going to that part, we'll check that part later. But our right of speech, we can say anything. That doesn't mean we abuse everybody. Freedom of expression, we can express what we are feeling. Freedom of assembly, you can assemble anywhere without arms. You cannot have guns and bullets and bombs. But if a place is having curfew, you cannot assemble there. Okay. So we'll keep it here till here. I'll write it here. Fundamental right, part 1. Fundamentals, right to freedom we have done. We can choose any job we want to do. If I want to sell vegetables, I can sell vegetables. If I want to become a pilot, I can become a pilot. If I want to drive an auto, I can drive an auto. It's up to me what I'm going to do. Okay? So, see you next time. So, take care till then. Read your chapters and try to make your own notes, write, and just don't want question answers. Try to understand the chapter. Okay? So, take care. Be home, be safe, and love your parents, respect them, and lead a disciplined life. And do some physical exercises also. Eat well, sleep well also. Bye bye, take care, and do whatever you want after you do your studies.